Good evening, everyone. My name is Karthik. I am the Managing Director for Newline for India and surrounding regions. So as far as Newline goes, 2024 has been a very successful year for us, wherein we have sold more than 10,000 panels across India. We have had special focus on the AI technology in India, and also what we have done is we have come up with the latest solutions, especially with optical bonding and the latest chipsets like RK3858 and A311D2. Going forward in India, we plan to have our own facility wherein we will be giving prominence to the Make in India concept, which is being favored by the government. I welcome all of you to explore our products from our website, newlineinteractive.in. So we have been in partnership with Glory Infocom for the past 3 years, and it has been a very fruitful partnership. They have a presence in Delhi along with bordering states of Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Himachal Pradesh. They have a very good after-service support team and also excellent marketing capabilities. Just last year, we have done more than 5,000 panels across the North region along with Glory Infocom, and we think that this year we'll break the 8,000 barrier with Glory Infocom. So as I mentioned here, I want to say an important thing. India is one of the regions where the market size is more than 200,000 units along with China, America and Europe. But as all of you know, China is on a downward trend. America has also slowed down and Europe is just maintaining those numbers. So the biggest focus for us this year and the coming 3 years is going to be India, where the market size is huge. And for this, we have launched our latest education series as well as the corporate series to cater to the growing Indian market. So what we have done is we have understood the trend that the whole world is moving towards the AI industry. And in this, we have launched Newline Canvas, which is the world's first AI annotation software-based product for interactive panels. What it does is, along with AI, it makes the jobs of the teachers easier with a multitude of subjects and 3D videos, which can use AI to make the students understand the things better. Now, another thing I want to mention here is what we are going to do is we are going from the classroom to the homes as well. So as all of you know that in the classrooms there is a panel and the teacher is teaching. But when you go to a home, the students normally go to a tuition center where the attention is divided amongst the children because there is one teacher catering to 50 students. So in this, what we have done is we have launched our contents and services along with a 43-inch TV for the home segment, which comes along with the educational apps and educational content, which can be installed in the home on a mobile stand. And it just gives the feel of a home tuition, because the AI in that, what it does is it not only teaches you subjects like English, mathematics and science, it also captures your mouth movements and tells you how to pronounce certain languages and so on and so forth. So here we place a lot of importance on educating the partners, and India being a vast country, we can't cater only to the tier 1 cities, we have to cater to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Starting July of 2024, we set an ambitious goal for us to have partner events in 33 cities across India. That was first in the market. And I'm happy to announce that we have already covered 26 cities in that. And this year also, we are going to cover the length and breadth of India by doing such events. And the event that we are here today, Crown Plaza, is the first event of such a kind in Delhi. From here, I think sky is the limit. So the thing is, as everyone knows, that India market is basically catered towards the education segment. So for the education segment, as I mentioned, along with the panels, we have launched the AI content software and the 43-inch TV. But apart from that, what we see is India has also a very huge corporate market. Now, when I talk about corporate, I'm not talking about corporate meeting rooms only. We have solutions catered for the medical industry, for the online coaching industry, for the hospitality segment, and so on and so forth. So what I predict is the education market will keep growing, but I see a huge boom in the corporate industry. And with solutions catered specifically towards each of these industries like medical, I'm sure to grab a major chunk of the corporate market as well. What I would request all of you, what I would request everyone watching this is that visit our website Newline Interactive.in. We have the latest solutions ranging from Android 13 to Android 14, along with the AI capabilities. And what we see is this is the start. 2024 was a little bit challenging in economic terms, but 2025, with the changes in governments in different countries across the world, we see a boom in this industry, and also with the China-India relations improving in the past 2 or 3 months, I think this segment will take off in India. Thank you.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.